how to change language in Google Maps app on Android phone. Hello guys, it's easy. First just go to Google Maps and then click here on your profile, and now click settings, and here we'll find the app language. Click on it, and here you can just select any language you want and it will be changed. And if that doesn't fix your problem and you want to change navigation language, just scroll down until you find this one here, navigation settings. Click on it, and here you can change voice language. Just click on it and select here any language you want, and that's it. I hope that can fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.